sexual assault. It's on her wrist and ankle.
So she's been home for a while.
Yes. And she's experiencing retrograde amnesia. She can only remember snippets of her past.
Is this from the accident or the abuse?
The combination of both.
Well, time may restore memory. Questions can jog it.
It's important that we talk to her.
Try.
All right, I'll head back in.
Do you remember what happened when we came in that hospital room to talk to you again?
Nope. She remembers instead.
I'm so sorry, okay? I promise I'll come back for you. I'm gonna send somebody. I love you.
Listen, we just want to ask you a few questions, okay?
I'm not here to hurt you.